Do you like spicy salad? Many people I know like spicy food. Today I'm going to show you how to make spicy papaya salad. Papaya salad used today should be the unripe one or the green one. For the topping, you can use dry shrimp, fresh shrimp, pork or chicken, or pig ear. If you do the vegan version, you can do fried tofu instead. Let's get started. For ingredients, they have different versions of papaya, but today I do the papaya with shrimp. So I usually buy one big long papaya. But today I could not find that at the market, so I buy two ground one, small ground one, and then one carrot for a beautiful color, a different color, and then this one the roasted peanut with top of it. And this one the shrimp, so you can use shrimp, and one is the Thai basil. I like the Thai basil more than the last mint. So because the last leaf is spicy, but some people they choose the last leaf over the Thai basil. But this one I just pick it at my garden. It's very fragrant. Fish sauce. If you do the vegan version, you can use the seasoning powder and salt instead of the fish sauce. First of all, we peel the papaya. It's not easy. And then you watch for the resin of the papaya come out. And then you can chop it. So you can use the knife to chop it. You can do one area or the whole papaya, and then cut it smaller. So you see, this is the good side of papaya salad. Or you could grate the papaya by grating like this. It's faster. When you finish in the whole carrot and papaya, add in 1 teaspoon of sugar in carrot and 2 teaspoons of sugar in papaya. So the sugar make the carrot and papaya sweet but crunchy. And then you stir it. And after stir properly, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. With the prawn, I boil it for about 4 to 5 minutes. But remember, when you boil it, you add in about a touch of salt, so the shrimp have nicer color. And after that, I cut the shrimp half, so it's better when you garnish. The next one, I grind the chili and garlic because I like spicy, so I put 4 chili. This one very spicy. If you are just one medium spicy, I think 1 or 2 chili will enough. And then I switch about 2 lamb. It depends on your taste. Some people they like 3 lamb or 1 lamb. So, but the average is 2 lamb is for the sour taste. Yeah, and remember, take the stick of the lamb out. Yeah, little stick there. Yeah, now I mix them. Yeah, I mix the lamb and the chili and garlic, and add in the fish sauce. Add in about 5 to 6 tablespoons of fish sauce, and mix with the garlic and chili to squeeze the papaya. That's how, if they have any water, it will come out. The papaya I bought today is actually quite rich.
we should buy the greener, like the greener one is using white and green. It's not like yellow like the one I'm doing. In my other video about what Vietnamese cook when we have guests, I bought the better papaya, the long one and a green one. Yeah, please check the video on top. I also squeeze the carrot to mix with the papaya. And I think about half of fish sauce first, then mix them properly, and then you add another half, and you use your hand to mix it so the fish sauce absorb into the papaya batter. Yeah, I put another half. Then I add in the prawn. The next one I add in the Thai basil. Yeah, again, I just remind, like if you cannot find the Thai basil, you can use the laksa leaf or coriander. And how much Thai basil as in, it depends on how much green you want, how much fragrant you want. Yeah, mix it properly. The salad is almost ready. Before you serve to the dishes, you should try whether the taste is perfect for you. So sometimes it's not salty enough or it's not sour enough. You could add in the fish sauce or the sugar or the sour or the lime for more sour. I put the lamb on top so the salad look nicer. And bring to the table and add in some peanuts. There's most of people, they like to crush the peanuts before they top it up, but me, I prefer to leave the whole peanut. Looks so delicious.
So done, and you see the shrimp and the peanuts and the papaya. So nice. The combination between the fish sauce and peanut and salad and the beer make it perfect. Hi, it's in my garden. In our condominium, and we have a small garden, and everyone can share the land. So today I'm going to pick the Thai basil for the papaya salad.
Hồi nãy con nói chuyện với cô mà.
Chị là chị quay gần gần mũi không?
Này xuống chơi như nè.
Guys, it's Thai basil. The smell very fragrant, very beautiful.
Thumb up, like, comment below if you have any question. And if you want any other new dish, please comment below. Subscribe my channel for new recipe every week.